Welcome guys, this is KLK Party Favors. Today I'm going to try to create a Bobo balloon with this little plush figure inside. So this is going to be my first time trying this, guys, so you're going to come along for the ride. Okay, I just got my Bobo balloon. I got a bag of those. I got a lot of different colors of confetti, but blue is what I'm going to use on this one. I got my long balloons to seal the ends of the Bobo balloon with. I already have my electric balloon pump, which is here. I just ordered my little heat sealer here. These I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, so what I've already done is I've stretched my balloon out and I put some air in it to inflate it up to its size. Now I have to prepare to stuff the figure inside the balloon. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is trim around the edge of the balloon. Try and trim as less as possible, just long enough to get my plush figure inside. So I'm just going to cut along the edge. It's my first time doing this, guys. Okay, let's see if I can get it in with this slit here. Guys, I'm going to angle this down some so you can see. Let me put in the figure. And what I did was took a needle and threaded it. This is fishing line. So I took a needle and threaded it with this fishing line. And I pierced it through the bottom of the plush figure, tied it in a knot, because this is what I'm going to use inside the bubble to keep him upright if I can. Okay, so we're going to see how that works. I'm going to first see if I can get his body all the way in here. I'm going to angle my little fishing line down here at this bottom here, and I'm just going to go up, and I want to get my fishing line down so that I'll have control of it as I'm inflating. The area where I cut it to put in the plush figure, I'm going to have to seal that off again so I can close it up so that I can create the balloon. Okay, so I have my heat sealer here. This is my first time using it, guys. I just got it today. So what I'm going to do is line up my edges first. Okay, that worked. So let's get this little edge here. Okay, so it looks like I have it sealed up, guys, but what I'm going to do is do a test on it Okay, I see what little spot I need to get. I'm going to do a test on it to make sure that it's sealed, guys. I'm going to leave it at that. Use my little pump on it. And I'm going to just, I have it here, guys. I'm going to bring you up some. So now what I'm going to do is just twist it. Just twisting, twisting, twisting. And then I'm going to seal it up with this balloon. Get some of my tape. Just make sure I get all of this taped up here. And as I get used to doing it, of course, I'll get much better at this part here. I was so concerned with getting my stuffed animal in that I didn't take time to really look at how to put it, how to set it up on the balloon stick. Okay, guys, I am going to put it in a little container. And so what I'm going to do is cut this down some. It's easy to cut. And another thing I forgot to do too, guys, I got so I was so busy, I forgot to put my confetti in the bottom. Well, okay, I'll do that with the next one because I'm going to keep practicing, because these are some of the items that I want to have for sale. Alrighty. So now I want to add some beautiful paper down here. I'm going to put some of this silver tablecloth into this little box here. Just give it a cute little look. And then what I'm going to do is pierce a little hole in the top here in the middle. And that's where I'm going to put my balloon stick in. Okay, so I put 2 small glue dots on the back of this ribbon so that I can hold it in place at the top. And then going to come back down the side here. I'm going to put a glue dot over here as well. I thought it'd be nice to just do a video to show you the process. It's not perfect. My process is definitely not perfect because I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm getting a little more confident, but I still got a lot to learn. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Bobo Balloon video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.